ukhulume kanjani nawe. Ayazi nanokuthi ukhuluma nobani because the demons has attacked the child. But ama-demons, they are so smart. When they attack you, they give you an option with which way you'll be attacked, but don't say no. Angiqale phansi, ama-demons are so smart. When they attack you, bazokubulala vese, but bakunika i-option ukuthi sikudubule noma sikuphozele sikushaye nge-hand grenade. Uncama kuphi? Kokubili awuzozwa buhlungu, kodwa kokubili uzokubulala. Uma udutshulwe behind the eyes and ngakujikela ibhomu esifubeni sakho, the result are the same. Uzofa ungazwanga buhlungu. Yeah, understand? Usathana ukunika ithuba lokuthi mntwana nansi condom. Enze sex ngecondom oyenze ngekho icondom kukuwena, but ukwenza sex ngecondom noyenza icondom ama-result ayifana. Ama-result ayifana. Ngeke sibe ne-use of condom sibe nengane engake ekhulele ezikoleni, kodwa kube khona kuthiwa i-use of condom. Usathana usebenzisa icondom as an option number 1 kwi-round yokuqala, akube i-condom, but lawo esibili sesiyazana nje yini ongasayazi. Esibili round nesithathu nesine nesihlanu nesi-15 ayisekho i-condom. Usuku lokuqala sibonana kuzoba i-condom, ngakusasa ekuseni uma usuhamba ayisayona i-condom. Usathana uqala waveza isibhamu, manje useveza i-hand grenade ukuthi zikhethele ukuthi ngikudubule noma ngiphonze i-hand grenade kuwena. Result are the same. Result are the same. Usathana u-introduce i-condom and all government basemhlabeni base bayisupporta i-condom ukuthi indeed ayisetshenziswe. Uma ingane mekuthiwa ayisebenzi i-condom zihlela umndeni wakabani, kanti into ayimbenini umuntu onomndeni, umuntu osuke eshadile ehlela umndeni wakwakhe, ingane na 15 ihlela muphi umndeni. Ukuthengwa kwama-condom kufuneka i-prescription. Ama-condom efuze athola kudokotela wakho kuphela. Simple as that. Kunendawo engake ngaya kuyona eyamaSulumane. Believe you me, you can travel as much as you want ufuna ama-condom uzowathola. Ngeke uziwathole. Go to Rajasthan, Jaipur. Barely you can find a store that has a condom. Jaipur. Barely, by Jaipur, barely you can find a store that has a condom. Kunendawo la ufike khona lekaba ithi condom ukwazi ukuthi libhalwa kanjani because akaze bayisebenzise. Engisho ukuthi ukusetshenziswa kwe-condom akusizanga ngalutho ngoba sinengane eziningi ezicommit ama-abortions in the presence of a condom. Usathana using that instrument, then instrument imsebenzisela ngendlela e-right. Usathana ke ubethi message ukunquma akunika i-option athi le ngane yakho uma efike ngane na introduce